Hi guys, I'll show you Mercedes-Benz C220 2.2 2010 how to replace starter motor. It's very quick to do it. You have to lift it up, make sure remove the DPF and catalytic converter, two screw here, two bolt and nut, and two bolt nut here, making this two free. And starter motor is right on top. There's a black one. I already put it in, but you have to remove two bolts in this side. You can see one there on the top, two bolts next to each other there, but you can't see the top one. It's not possible to see from here. Anyway, I'm gonna bring it down. I'll show you. I'll show you what you have to remove for starter motor. Starter motor on this one, very difficult. It's not too easy. Remove it. Disconnect battery first, then you have to remove all this you can see over here. Engine cover, intake air pipe, turbo actuator, this cover for the starter motor on top of starter motor, air box, air filter, ECU on top, starter motor inside there. This is the starter motor. And remove this clamp, then little bit you have to push it down, otherwise it's not possible take it out this cover, because this one fitted to top of starter motor, on top of the starter motor. And the DPF pressure sensor, you have to remove it because with this bracket on this side like this. Anyway, thank you for watching. Good luck. Hi guys, this is the cover going back to top of the starter motor, which is the fitting with the one bolt here and two bolt down there. And the first thing you have to remove this bracket as well, which is on the side of the engine in the block, and they go two bolt this side, another bracket going to this side. This is the bracket, this bracket going this side like this way as well, then the DPF holding to this side. Anyway, we'll show you next video as well. This is the third video, which is everything back in together. Turbo actuator, make sure when you take it off, hold this one with some grip and open this side. Don't move that one, otherwise you have to be set it back with the vacuum pump. Check how many psi pulling. You don't have to move in the back nut, you only have to be remove this one, then pull it out this way. And two bolt here and one bolt here, 13 mil, two Allen key. The size of Allen key is V6, CR V6, which is that one. Starter motor cover there. Make sure the vacuum pipe, CO2 sensor going this one back, DPF pressure sensor, this is the cable for it. And now I'm gonna put back box. You have to put this side first in, then pull out this pipe this way, then you can push in. There are two holes on this side with the two mountain going there, and pull the pipe down. And they got two mountain here as well, one here, one other side. The mountain have to be going down inside. There you go. It's all in back. And the air box, the air filter. I'm asking to driver to replacing the air filter. But he say no, just leave it for next time. I think it's need to be replaced. And that's the going there. This is okay. And now this one going back on top. Make sure this is ECU and the airbox cover. Okay, and you have to be got this, which is the TX25. The first thing, I'm gonna tighten the middle one, which is this one. Then this one. Then I'm going back to the back one here. Okay. Then pull the pipe back in. Tight the clamp. Airflow sensor. And it's going in here. When you remove it, you see you have to press down this one. Both sides they have, then pull it up straight. When you push it back in, just click. That's it. And it's all four same. Now plug in ECU. I think it's not able to plug it in because I'm not connected this side, and now I'm gonna plug it in. And this side. I hope they make this video makes something easy for somebody, because yesterday I was checking Google or YouTube. I didn't find any. And this one, they have a little clip in here. When you remove it, you have to be little bit push it to side, to that plug side, then coming out, like slightly in, click, and that's it. It's all done. What I have, I got take pipe here as well. Just going back in there like this. Just push it in. Just push it in. That's it. You have little clip here as well on this place. There you go, all job done. Anyway, thank you for watching. Good luck.